Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming your Golf 7 infotainment type and current firmware so you download the right files. Once done, format a 3264 GB USB to FAT32 and back up its contents. This prevents accidental data loss. Next, on your PC, download the matching map package and the Volkswagen update tool. This is essential because wrong files will fail. Finally, extract the package into the root of the USB, so the head unit recognizes it when you plug it in. You insert the prepared USB only after the ignition is on and the infotainment system has finished its startup routine. Doing it earlier can interrupt file detection. Once the system finds the update, it will display prompts. Accept and follow them exactly because the unit verifies files and sequence. Let the update run. Expect multiple reboots and a progress bar. Don't remove power or the USB during this phase, since interruptions can corrupt the navigation firmware and maps. After the final reboot, go to System Settings and confirm the new map and firmware version to ensure success. This proves the process completed. If the update failed, reformat the USB to FAT32, re-download the exact package, and retry using a different USB port. Sometimes file corruption or a flaky port is the culprit. If problems persist, record any error codes shown and contact Volkswagen service or a qualified technician so they can recover the head unit without risking data loss.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.